Hi, I'm Uliana if you're new here. This is a 10-minute yoga stretch for neck and shoulders. You can do it either standing or seated, your choice. I will be sitting today. Let's begin with a little warm up before we do the stretches. Slowly drop your chin down to your chest. Lift it up. Repeat 5 more times. Moving your neck slowly and gently. Bring your head back to center. Move it side to side. 5 rounds like this. Then bring your head back to center. Drop your chin down. Draw a circle with your chin to the left. Moving slowly. Notice where you feel the stretch as you circle your head. Is it more on the front of your neck or on the back of your neck? Or maybe on the side? Switch direction, 2 circles to another side. Nice, now bring your head back to the middle. Place your hands on the sides. Take a big inhale, lift your chest, bring the shoulder blades together, look up. Exhale around the back, bring chin to chest, stretch the back. Inhale, lift the chest, arch the back, look up. Exhale around the upper back as much as you can, chin to chest. Keep moving with the rhythm of your own breath, lifting the heart as you inhale, rounding the back as you exhale. Bring your spine back to neutral position. Lift your arms, hug your elbows. Take inhale in center. Exhale, bend to the right. Feel the stretch on the left side of the upper body. Breathe deeply into the left ribs. Inhale back to center, exhale to the left, stretching the right side, breathing deeply into the right ribs. Come back to center with inhale, release your arms, and let's make just a few big circles with your shoulders, warming them up and loosening them up. Switch direction. Good, release your shoulders. Extend your right arm a little bit to the side. Drop your left ear to the left shoulder. Feel the stretch on the right side of the neck. Maybe try dropping your chin a little bit down to feel a different kind of stretch, more on the back of the neck. Bring your head back to center, switch side. Left arm extends, right ear drops to the right shoulder. Stretching the left side of the neck. Remember to breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Noticing the sensations you feel in the neck. And experiment with the chin position if you like, to feel a different kind of stretch. Bring your head back to center. Lift your left arm, bend the elbow so that the hand is between the shoulder blades. With the opposite hand, gently push the left arm down so that the hand slides down your back a bit. Option to stay here or bring the right hand behind to interlace the fingers for cow face stretch. Pay attention to your breath. Release your arms. Bend your right arm over the head and gently press it down with the opposite hand. Just stay here or bring your other arm behind for cow face stretch. Notice if this side feels different. Sometimes one side is easier, the other side feels more intense. Release your arms. Bend your arms in front of your body. Bring the right arm underneath the left arm. Press the back of the palms or the palms together. Eagle arms stretch. Take a deep inhale and lift your elbows higher. Feel the stretch in the upper back, between the shoulders. Breathe deeply in and out through the nose. One more inhale, lift your elbows even higher. Exhale, bend forward, rounding the back. Breathe in deeply into your back, ribs. And slowly come up with next inhale. Switch sides, left arm underneath the right arm. Take a deep inhale to lift the elbows higher. Breathe deeply here, feeling the nice stretch in the back. Inhale, lift the arms higher. Exhale, bend forward, round the spine. Take a deep inhale into the back. Exhale here. And come up with next inhale. For our last stretch, roll your shoulders up and back. Interlace the fingers behind the back. With inhale, lift your chest higher. Pull your hands away from the back, feeling the stretch on the front of the shoulders. You can stay here or bend forward. Whenever you are, breathe into the stretch. One last inhale, bring your hands away as far as you can. And exhale, release, come up. Notice how your back feels now. Maybe you feel like you created more space in the areas that felt tight. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this little stretching sequence. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye!